morning, kids. How are you all? Great. That's fantastic. Kids, this is your maths class. And today I am here with this working model of place value. Children, I have made this model for you to find out the place value of digits. I have written here HTO. Here H stands for hundreds, T stands for tens, O stands for ones. So let's start our today's topic. Children, I have numbers 0 to 9 in my hand. You can see. And you all know that all the numbers are made up of these numbers 0 to 9. So first of all, we will make a number of 3 digits and then try to find out the place value. We have 243. So we will make this number by placing these numbers together. 243. Now I have put a circle on the number 4. It means we have to find out the place value of 4. So, how will we find out this value? Students, let's take our model and set this number 243 on this model. 243. So, here we have the same number 243 and we have to find out the place value of 4. So, students, here you can see that 4 is under the home of tens. So, we can say that the place value of 4 is 4 tens or 4040. Let's take another example of 357. Now the circle is on the number 3. So we have to find out the place value of 3 in this number. So let's check it out. First of all, we have to set this number on this model. 357. Yes, we have done with it. Now, we will see where is number 3. Number 3 is under hundreds house or under hundreds heading. So, we will say that the place value of 3 is 3 hundreds. So, students, have you seen that all digits have their specific home or their specific place in a number? Let's write place values in our notebook. Students, In our maths notebook, first of all, we have to write down the date here, then the day, and after that, the topic for today. That is place value. Here, we have been given some numbers under the heading HTO. Okay? And we have to find out the place value of encircled digits. So let's start. We will do all the sums one by one. So let's start with the first one. Here the number is 463 and we have to find out the place value of 3. Students, you can see that 3 is under the heading O, and you already know that O stands for ones. So, what is the place value of 3? Yes, it is 3 ones or 3 only. So, write down here 3 O N E S, ones or 3. Let's take the second one question. This number is 216. Here we have to find out the place value of 1, and 1 is in the home of tens. So here we will write 1 10. T-E-N 10. Here we will write 10, not tens, because 1 is singular here. 110, or we can write it as 1010. The next number is 375, and here the encircled digit is 3. So, where is 3? Yes, it is in the home of hundreds. So, we will write here 3 hundreds. HUNDREDS. 3 hundreds or 300. Let's take another number. It is 180. And what is the place value of 8 here? Yes, it is 8 tens. What is it? 8 tens. So write here 8 tens. Or 8 80. Let's go to the last number, that is 309. And now here we have to find the place value of 0. and 0 is in the home of tens. So, we will write here 0 tens. 0 tens means 0 itself. So, we will write here 0 tens or 0. So, students, we have done all these 5 questions. Now, you have to write these 5 questions or sums in your Fair Maths notebook. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. We will meet in our next class now.